if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I.
What's up, y'all? JazzJanay here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful blowout at home. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys all the new products that I use. I'm going to show you guys this new technique that I've learned, like this parting technique that I found on Instagram from this like famous hairstylist or whatever. She showed a different parting technique on how to make the process like less overwhelming and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys that, show you guys the new products, show you guys my new flat iron and all that. So I hope you guys enjoy this. It is blowout season, okay honey? Let these girls see the inches. My hair has grown so much. I just gave myself a little bump under the ends just to give like this whole 90s vibe, you know, little 2000s vibe. It's really cute, really pretty, really sleek. I love the way I look when I get a blowout. So if you want to see how I achieve this blowout, keep watching. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair. The products that I use are the Living Proof Frizz free shampoo and conditioner, and I deep conditioned with the macadamia deep repair mask just to give my hair some hydration, and I use the Etae leave-in conditioner. So now I'm just taking my wide tooth comb. You want to make sure it's a wide tooth comb, you do not want to snag your hair. But I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I'm detangling my hair as much as I can. This is a very key step in your blowout process. Next, I'm going in with the Living Proof Frizz free styling cream. This just helps speed up the process of the blow drying. Blow drying is like another key step of a blowout. You really want to make sure you get your hair as smooth as possible to make the flat ironing process as least damaging as possible. So hair is sectioned off into 4 sections. I'm going in with my Sebastian Thermal Protectant. This just protects my hair from the heat. I picked it up from Ulta. Little pricey, but you can use that coupon that Ulta always sends to get it down to like $16 or $17. It's worth it. Also, I'm using the Cream of Nature humidity spray because we live in the South. It's a big deal. I use the chasing method with my blow dryer. This is just a regular blow dryer that I picked up from Target. So I use a big paddle brush and I chase it down my hair at the same time as my blow dryer. And that just helps smooth my hair out as much as possible. So hair is fully blow dried. As you can see, I got it as smooth as possible. This will help the silk pressing process so much. So yeah, I got my mom to trim my ends a little bit because they needed desperate help. I do not trust myself to trim my ends. So yeah. So before we start the flat ironing process, I like to go in with the oldie but goodie. This is my BioSilk serum that I love to use. It just gives my hair an extra shine and extra body. So I just spread that throughout my hair, and I put just a teensy bit amount because I do not want my hair to get oily, and this just helps give my hair a nice healthy shine. Make sure you have a rat tail comb handy because this is also key in a nice silk frizz. So this is where the parting technique starts. I learned this from a girl on Instagram called Love Miriam G. This parting and sectioning technique, it helps you to begin the press, and it gives you a better look at the full head, and it makes the flat ironing process less overwhelming. So I'm just starting with ear to ear part, and then I'm starting at the nape of my neck. That is where you always want to start your silk press. And So I'm just getting my flat irons ready. So I'm starting at the nape of the neck, and I'm just taking my comb and combing it through. I am using this new product that I picked up from the beauty supply store. It's by Etae Natural Products, and it's the ButterShine lightweight moisturizing hair and scalp cream. It is enriched with shea butter and rosemary. And y'all, this has really changed my flat ironing silk press game, because when I say it gets it straight, it gets it straight. Then I'm just going in with my Sebastian Heat Protectant and combing through again with my rat tail comb. And I'm just taking a small section, and I'm using my Babyliss nano titanium flat irons that I got for my birthday. And literally all it took was one pass. You see how straight that is? And I am gonna go back through and kind of like bump it under at the end. But other than that, it just takes one pass, especially with those two products that I use. So it helps with damage, so you won't damage your hair that much with doing all those passes through your hair. And it just gives it a nice clean look, and I love it.